It's been a minute.
Fat minute. So, sorry about, I don't have the exhaust video up yet. And it's been like a month. Yeah, a month. Ever since school started. So yeah, school started. I work on the weekends. Busy. So, we try to record it every now and then. Just today. Because I got new side skirt! But we're just gonna wash the car. Ethan pulled up. He needs to wash his car. That's not water.
What is that? Why is it red?
You don't want to know.
Oh god. Do you not know how mosquitoes are born? They poop their eggs in the water.
Their mommy and daddy have sex.
Oh my god.
But yeah, we're gonna turn these stock boys into hot boys. Look at this. Look how. Oh, can you see how? Oh yeah, you can see how dirty this bitch is.
Is that a pubic hair?
Let's not talk about this, Ethan. Oh, but this is the worst. Look at the rear. Oh god. But yeah, so we're gonna start washing. Yeah.
Yeah. Brian's trying to capture his dog. Motherfucker.
How we go home?
Damn, bro, today looking beautiful. God damn.
He's in jail now.
Sad life, bro. So now Jason's putting the screws back on, and he's just gonna cut that little flappy piece down at the bottom.
That
there.
little muff.
Right there.
You know, I like taking this car in the dirt rally. Instead of beating Mustangs on the drag.
Is that why your car's so damn high?
Yeah, I like beating Evos and.
Yeah, you know, I took my cord out on the dirt too. Yo.
My Acura is all purpose. It's been everywhere.
Front wheel drive OP, especially on dirt.
He's gonna sip his way out and then start running around again. Like last time.
Stop simping.
Oh, a little sad boy. Look at him over there. Go over there and flex my freedom on him. Yeah, see, I'm free. I don't got shit hanging, you know, holding me down.
You don't run, alright? Nah, look at me. Look at me. You don't run. Alright, stay in jail for a bit. That's what you get. What are you eating, dude? Aw. He ate like some bread shit or something.
Delicious. Ooh. Bro, when you ain't wash your ass crack for a few months. Oh yeah, there you go. He popped it off.
What's up, guys? So I farted and
Help me.
Ethan's over here dying and shit. But yeah, we're back. It's day 2 because yesterday it got like fucking dark, you know?
Yeah, it got dark.
Like it was actually cold. So we're just gonna continue this shit because only thing we got done was
We just washed our car.
yeah, we just washed our car and took off this little piece and we're gonna clean that up after I put the side skirt on.
So Jason's trying to decide whether or not he wants to cut this little
Mud flap.
little mud flap piece thing.
Cause I've been racing Subies like my brother. I beat him, of course.
Fucking
What?
stupid ass.
Yeah, should I cut it or unscrew it?
Wait, comment down below. We'll wait. Yeah, I think we're just gonna cut it.
Yeah, too much work. I cut it already. Okay. Just. Oh yeah, I'm gonna look like this. You just hear this every single time I go over a bump.
You got it off?
Yeah, I just ripped it off. Oh.
Nice. Wow.
Alright, now we just tape it back on like this. This is my slice splitter.
We might as well do the other side while we're at it. Get lightheaded, I set up too fast.
Please don't cut my own finger. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm about to cut it. Wait.
Nah, bro, you can just let it rub against your tire.
I'm about to cut it like right here, so we can move it.
Yeah, I'd cut it a little bit less than you need to,
Yeah.
and then go from there. Aquafina.
Not even followed up.
Coconut water. You can take it. Bro.
Here we go, look at that. Stable.
Yeah, okay.
I'm an engineer, guys.
This is hella sketch.
No, how the sketch would be have you probably do it. Do like this. Alright, you could eat the next one, dude. I'm tired.
Yeah, now we're moving. Oh. Alright, hold up. Oh shit. Yeah, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Alright, now we throw that away and then we put this on. Right there, yeah. Side skirt. Yep. Damn, alright.
Keep it up.
Okay. Nice. Alright, the install done, guys. Alright, Goosey. It looks pretty dope, but you know, besides the tape. I'll make some spaghetti when I get home. Nice, dude.
It is pretty straight.
Yeah, just need to clean it up a little bit.
Alright guys, so camera's about to die, so we're probably just gonna record the important stuff. So right now we're just gonna put this on. We already cut it, and then yeah. By the time you see it, it'll probably be on. Alright, we're back. So sorry we didn't film a lot, but the battery's about to die. The boy Charlie came because he was bored at home. And then so basically this is what the slicers look. It pops up a lot down there. You know, it's to concentrate the wind to cool down my brakes after beating these Mustangs. But yeah, well, that's gonna be it for today. Maybe a while because
Maybe a while.
I don't know.
Because Jason broke. He got money for parts.
Yeah, basically, like I could buy parts, but I won't be like able to go out. All right, bye guys.